Okay, sir.
Yeah, I have given you. Most common anonymizing network. Okay. Third point, you can get connect computers. Okay. Computers. Computers can be configured. Can be configured to the hidden. Right here to the hidden. To the hidden, or it's called onion servers. Hidden or onion servers. Understood my point? Next point is to write onion routing.
Sir,
Onion
onion server means?
onion is, you heard about Firefox, no? Firefox, you know, right?
Okay, okay.
Okay. You heard about dark web. Dark web, you heard about dark web. You
Uh,
have idea about dark web?
dark.
Dark web?
Uh,
No. Just we are going to explain this thing. Okay. This is not your this part. Okay. But I'm going to explain. Only basics is there. Only tell them Tor is one. But I'm going to explain you according to your penetration testing, guys. Understood or not? Try to
okay.
concentrate. When question is there, ask me. Onion routing was onion routing. What is routing? Means you are reaching to the server. That is called routing. Understood my point, right? So onion routing was designed by the US Army. Understood? They have designed for their security communication to protect, right here, protect their their communication. Understood my point? Clear this point? They have created this onion. Okay, after that it came on the market. So this was came from the Firefox. This is the part of Firefox. I will show you. This is the Tor browser, guys. See here, Tor is there. I will show you. Where is my Tor? Tor is here. Just a minute. Webex is there. This is part. Tor. Here. Sorry. This is my Tor browser. See here, guys. Okay. See here. This is my Tor browser. Understood? Clear? This is my browser. This is the installation, and this is the part of what? Firefox. Are you getting my point or not?
Yes.
Okay, everyone, fine. Let me come here. We will show you how it is working. Okay, we will show you the work of this part.
Sir,
We
can I
have,
see the Notepad file one more time, please?
yeah, see here. Fine, come here. Hey, last class, why you didn't come, Mohammed?
Yes, sir.
Last class you were not present.
I forgot to switch on my alarm, sir.
Hey, you took the recording. Okay, important things we have discussed, file creation and all. Right, very much important class was there. Took a
Okay.
recording from students. Okay,
Okay.
very
Okay.
important class was there. Okay, right. What happens when you visit a website? I'm writing the point. What happens when you visit a website? Any website, right? What is happening there? I'm talking about that. Let me open the page. See everyone. This is open. Okay. What is happening? See here. Everyone. See here. This is the user, okay? This is the user here, okay? This is my user here, and then after here we have the, you can say this is my server here, okay? This is my server. Understood my point? Google server is there. After that, what happened? We are going to communicate with the servers. Correct or not? Correct, no? Like this way. This is the communications
Yes.
between the users, between the users. This is the users, and this is your, I am writing here. We have the google.com. This is my google.com. Google. Dot. Understood my point, guys? What is happening? If you will be use this browser, with the help of this browser, they will record it. What? They will record it location from where it is coming. Then after, they will use which browsers you are using. Who will get? Google is getting it. All information, private informations of the users. Are you getting my point? All of you. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Browser. Browser here. Browsers, okay? Then after they are getting you your operating system. Operating system information. Understood? And what is getting you? Previous activity. Previous activity on the website. The website. Understood? Clear? These are the things Google is getting from when you are accessing the Google. Your location, your browser's information, your operating system, and your previous activity on the website. That means you are not secure if you're using like Google, if you're using like this Firefox and all. Okay, clear my point? Understood? These servers are getting all information. Then after they are getting potentially actively outside of the website. And write this point also, potentially. That means potentially activity outside of the website. Understood my point? Sometimes what happened, guys, try to listen this concept. Sometimes what happened, you are not on the Facebook. Understood? Clear? You are not, you have no like Facebook accounts is there. Okay, but you have visited the Facebook website. Understood my point? Getting everyone? You have visited Facebook that website. It will create some identity name of your. Understood? With the help of ghost server. It is known as ghost server. Ghost server. What is happened? I am trying to open the Facebook here. Understood? But I don't have the Facebook account. But so many times what I am doing, I'm opening the Facebook account and someone I'm checking. Something I'm checking. Understood or not? So what they will do, they will create some identity, your identity, unique identity, because you are visiting their sites. Understood or not? And with the help of this website, visiting a website, they have given some identity name like XY something. They have the very big servers. Understood or not? Everyone. So this is help with the ghost server. Understood? This is known as the ghost server. That what you are liking, how it is going, what way where host server is giving you the information to the Facebook. You heard about everyone, guys. I'm asking. You heard about sometimes back, like in this year only, like in the USA, US government sued to Facebook, right? Correct or not? Because they have leaked the information, private information. You heard about these things or not? This information, Suraj, everyone.
Which information, sir?
your private information, like your photos, something, your identifications.
Yeah,
So,
definitely.
no, Facebook have leaked these things. So US have sued them. Understood or not? They have to pay something to them. So what is happening in the ghost server? Ghost server is doing, if it will create, then after they will visit you with the help of Google or with the help of this one, your Facebook, what you are liking. Understood now? What the ghost server is checking, what you are liking, what you are liking. Understood? That is information is given by the, and whom you are visiting at all, whom you are every time, whom you are visiting, sitting at. You understood this point, everyone? Clear? Clear? This is the private. This we are talking about the normal browser like Google, Internet Explorer, or like this one. This is the basic information I have given. I didn't come on the your Tor browser. Understood or not? This is going with the help of this. Understood? If you delete your account also, you will find, you will go there and open your account. It will show you that your photo or your some kinds of information, public information should be there. Remembered or not? You can try it. You delete your one's account, and then after you go and check your email ID, write the email ID like Facebook email ID. You delete it. After 20 days, 30 days, it will be there. Understood? Clear my point? That public photos are what you like. Everyone getting my point or not? Tell me yes or no.
Yes,
Understood? Yeah, that means what happened. Your privacy is not secured there with the help of these browsers. Okay, that public browsers. So what is the safe is your Tor browser. Done. Should I start the other one, other for this one? I'm coming on the other page. Okay, start the new one. All of you done this part, right? Correct. I'm going
Uh,
to start new page.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
this one is for normal browser, right?
Yeah, this is the normal browsers. This is
Okay.
on the normal browsers. Okay, done, right? Okay, fine. Come here. We will start the save on the Tor browser. What is happening in the save on the Tor browser? What happened? Visit to websites, right? These things I have informed you there. Then after I'm coming on the second part. This is the first part we have discussed. Then after we are coming on the second part. The second part, what happened? Save is your Tor browser. What is happening? Save is your Tor browser. What is happened in the Tor browser? Come here. Inside the Tor browser, inside the Tor browsers, Tor browsers, we have many servers. We have many servers, okay? Or Ether network. It's called also Ether network. Write this everyone. Ether network. Many servers inside that. Or you have the Ether network. Let's say when user connect to Tor. See here. Let's say. I'm writing here. Let's say when user connect to Tor server. Okay. Tor server. What happened? I'm coming on the this one and I will show you here. Guys, see here what we are doing here. See here. This is the user here. Okay. This is the user.
Sir, we do not even finish reading that other part.
Oh, you have not written there.
No, we didn't even read it properly, sir, to have some idea about it.
No, it's written now.
Oh, okay, let's see.
Idea the Tor browser. Idea the Tor browsers. We have many servers. I'm coming there. I'm explaining you. Just see here. Inside the diagram. Inside the diagram, I'm explaining. See here. This is the user is there. Okay. And then after what happened? This is going to connect with that. This is going to connect with that. Okay. This is your browser. This is your server is there. Inside that you will find like this way the small server is there. Understood or not? Getting point or not?
Yes.
And here you have to reach to where? I'm telling you here you have to reach to Google. Google.com. Okay, from here user have initiate to google.com. What is happening after that? You will find here it will be go like this way. See here, it will reach, then after it will go to some other server. That IP address is different. Then after it is coming to some other server. Then after it is coming to some other server. Then after it is coming to some other server. And then after it is reaching to the google.com. Understood or not? So what is happening? Your identification is keep changing. All of you getting my point? This is happening inside the Tor. Because inside the Tor we have what is happened. You done this topology, you understood? Like this way it is going. It is coming. You initiate google.com. It is coming. In that browsers, what happened? Directly it is reaching. Firewall is there. I'm talking about everything. Don't worry. But just try to understand this one. This functionality, how it is working. You initiate to reach to Google or Facebook.com. What is happened? This is changing your identification, IP address. Again, it is changing your IP address. Again, it is changing your IP address. And these servers are in the different location. It is not in India. Maybe it is in Germany. Maybe in USA. Maybe in some other place. All of you getting my point? So your IP is changing. Germany have different IP address. All of you getting my point? That is the help you are getting inside the Google. That means you are hiding your information to reach to the Google. So Google have no idea who is coming. Clear? Clear or not? I will show you this part. Don't worry. Clear? Mohammed Sangre, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Vijay, you understood this point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Come here. I'm writing this point. In the theory, you should write what is happening right here. Here you should write second point. Right here, point. You request to going right here the point. If you're not getting, ask me. You request to going over there. Three networks, right? Three or four networks, no? But how many networks? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Four networks. Going over four networks. Four networks. With, you can write with four different nodes. Four different nodes. Okay? Before it goes to Google. Before it goes to Google. Understood or not? This is called nodes also. This is called nodes also. Understood or not? This is nodes. First nodes, second nodes. Nodes means what? Devices. First nodes, second nodes, third nodes, and fourth nodes. Okay. So here, different nodes before it goes to Google. Okay. So the Google is only see the last server right here. What is result is coming. So Google, very important point, is only see the last nodes of servers. Okay. Servers which is connected with it. which is connected with it. So they are understanding. So proxy, they are creating a proxy. Understood or not? So what they are getting from here to here, they are coming. Here it's reach, here it's reach, here it's reach. So what is the IP address of this one? They are understanding this is the real one. Are you getting my point? So 3 times it is going to change their IP. This is the work of your safe. That's why it is more safe. Okay. Next I'm coming into introduction of hidden services on the onion. Okay. Write this point. Understood everyone this point, how it is working? Next point I'm writing here. Third point is to write here. But Sangare, you are getting this point? Understood?
I think so.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Yes,
Third
sir.
point you write. Yeah, okay, okay, Suraj, everyone. Okay, fine. Introduction to hidden services on onion browsers on onion browsers. So onion services, it is called. Here you should write. Here you should write onion services. By default, it is there. I will show you when I will open the browser. Onion services. Onion services. Guys, come early. Okay, 9:30 your class is there. Okay, come early. Huh? Onion services are there that will be help for anonymity. Understood? What is the meaning of anonymity? Hiding, security. Understood? Okay. But some problems is there. Okay, in the Tor browser. What are the problems you will find? I'm writing. Okay, Tor the onion. Some problems is there. What are the problems you will get here? Write some points. This is the disadvantage. Internet speed is dramatically dropped. Internet speed is dramatically dropped. First point. Second point you write. Difficult to prevent leak.
Hello, sir. Sound not clear.
Right now sound is clear. Wait a minute.
Sometime.
Right. Right now it's clear.
Oh,
Wait a minute. Right now it's clear, guys. Right now it's clear.
Yes.
Okay. Difficult to prevent leak. Are you getting what is the meaning of difficult to prevent leak? See here, come here.
Sir,
Guys,
okay, okay.
tell me what happened.
Dramatically drop means
See here. I'm telling you, difficult this year. Internet speed is dramatically dropped. Why? Because see here, it is coming to 4. It is coming to 4 nodes to reach to the Google. So every time it is taking time, no?
yes, yes,
You understood or not? So
yes.
that is the meaning. First it will reach here, then after second time it is reaching here.
Okay, sir.
Third
That's
time it is reaching. So that is the meaning. So
okay.
obviously the internet speed is it is slow. Second thing is what happened. The leakage problem is very difficult. What happened? Maybe like here I am showing you the 4 nodes is there, but the inside the network, inside the real world, it is working with the company is taking so many nodes. So if some nodes is failed or something happened, so what happened? The troubleshooting is very difficult.
Okay.
Are you getting
Yes,
clear
okay.
or not? So that is the part is telling you. This is the disadvantage. Everything's have advantage and disadvantage. See, advantage is what you are secure, but disadvantage is what your internet speed is less. Okay,
Okay.
clear my point, everyone. Okay,
Okay.
come here. Okay. So difficult to prevent leak. Then after what is telling you, web browsers, sometimes right here, web browsers, web browsers, web browser also can leak the information. Leak the information. Guys, if you don't know how to work on the Tor browser, so it will be attacked. Understood or not? This is a very much important point I'm telling you. You have to learn about how to work on the dark web, and that is the Tor browser or Tor only. Understood? Clear? If you don't know, if you will be open, that means you will find that attack will become over. So that is the things is telling you. Web browser also can leak the information. First
Sir,
one.
what did the second one means?
What is difficult to prevent leak? This one.
Yes.
This one.
Yeah, prevent leakage.
Second one you are asking.
Yes.
Difficult to prevent leak. I explained you here. See what is happened. That inside that I am telling you, like 4 nodes is there. Okay, but in a real time, what happened? Like 50 nodes is there, and in 50 nodes, like 39 node, the number of 39th node is failed. So you have to check like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then after you are reaching to 39 nodes. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
So that is the telling you to the if something is coming failure. No, like you just try to understand this is going to fail. Just try to understand this one. This one is going to fail. Understood? This is going to fail. So what
Okay.
happened? You are coming here, you check this one. It will take time to check your reachability is there. After that, you are coming here, you check the reachability here. But when you are coming, so it will give giving you information. No, this is not working. Then after
Yes.
what happened, you will start patching here. Correct or not? So what
Yes.
happened? The leakage, it will take time to reach here. First, you will troubleshooting here. Then after you will do troubleshooting here. Then after you do troubleshooting. That means it is taking time. No,
Yes.
understood or not? That is the
Yes.
meaning here. It is telling you difficult to prevent the leak. Clear?
Okay.
Clear? Okay, fine, everyone. Any doubt? Again, any question? Ask me question doubt. Any doubt, any question, ask me again. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next point is okay, very good. Web browser also can leak the information. Okay, leak the information. We will discuss how it is going on. Okay. Next point is telling you data leaves the exit node is unencrypted. Understood? This is also the problem here. When the data is going from the one node to other node, it is unencrypted. So it is very difficult to get information inside the Tor. But if it is leaked, that means your whole information going down. But it is 99.9%, 99%, it will never be, you can say it will never be down. Your information never be down. It will not leak. Understood or not? Clear?
Okay.
So the solution I am giving you, this is the problems you have. The solutions is what? Solutions. Everyone see here. Solutions is giving you. Use the Tor browser. Use the Tor browsers. Simplest but not best. Simplest use, but not best. Are you getting my point? The versions are there of the Tor browsers. But if you are using the best browsers and if you have no idea on that, understood? I'm explaining what is the meaning of this all. Okay, don't worry about that. I'm coming on that point. So use the simplest Tor browser. If something happened, any kinds of troubleshooting easily you can done. Clear my point? First point is telling you. Second point is telling you, is giving you. This is the first. Second is telling right here. This is the first point. This is the first point is Second point you should write here. Second point is telling you here, just giving you Tails. This is also the browsers. We will discuss on that also. Tails. Okay. Best, great compared to this. Understood or not? So let me discuss on first Tor browser, then after we will come on the Tails browser. Or you can use third point. You can use here cubes. U U B E S cubes with Onyx. This is also the best browser. Understood or not? But let us concentrate because in the Tor, more people are working there on the Tor browser. Okay. Clear my point? Understood? Tails is also the browsers. We will discuss on that. Fine. Everyone clear?
No,
What
sir.
is where you what is the doubt?
The second and the third one.
This is the browsers, man. This is the browsers. Tails is the browsers. Come here, see. Tails browser. It's open now. That things I'm telling you. You understood? See here. This is the tail browsers. Vijay, are you getting my point? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
See here, this is the browsers. Tails is the incognito live system. We will see this point, what is happening. And this is Debian based Linux. So we are more working on the Linux platform, right? I told you very well. Understood? We will work. What is happened? See here, Tor is coming. Connections are forced to go through Tor. What is happening? Don't worry, we will discuss on that. Everything I will explain you. Okay. This is the incognito windows. If I'm using this one, there is no history. Have you done this here? Everyone. Inside the Google also. Guys, have you opened this page? Even? Anyone?
No.
See here, come here. And here you will find new cognito window. Control Shift N. See here. And you can use anything. There is no history. You will not find any history. See here. There is history part is written. No. All of you getting my points or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct? Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming here. I'm deleting here. Come here. What is coming? History is coming here. History part is there.
Yes.
Clear my points, no? Clear everyone? Okay. So come here. We will discuss. Muhammad, it's clear to you or not?
Yeah, it's clear. It's clear, sir.
Okay. Next point I'm coming. Okay. Right here. What is happened inside the Tor? How it is working? That simple things I'm giving you. What is the more benefits I'm writing? I'm giving you up to like the expert level of the you can say that explanation on the Tor. Okay. Right here. The third, fourth point here. Right. Tor browser. What is happening? Tor browser. Write this point also. First point you write here inside the Tor browser. Like this. Modified version of the Firefox. Tor is the modified version of Firefox ESR. Okay, because US Army was working, so they have modified to Firefox, and then after they have created one browser that is known as the Tor browser. Okay. Second thing is telling you here that uses the Tor browsers by default. Okay, uses the Tor Don't modify it. Are you getting my points, everyone? What I'm telling you. Uses the browser browsers by default. Don't modify it. If you don't know, don't go and modify it. Understood my point? Second point, everyone. Third point comes here, right here. Third is telling you disable insecure features or plugins. Disable 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 insecure insecure features or plugins. What is the meaning of this? Inside your browsers, I will show you what is the meaning. Okay, like advertisement is coming. See here, guys. I have here what is there. See, ad blockers is there. Are you getting my point? This is my Google browser. I am using here ad blockers. Are you getting? Means no ad will be come inside my browsers. Understood? Clear
Yes,
or
sir.
not? So that means this is here, and here I am using my guest appearance and all. My browsers is safe. What is happened? See, if I close this browsers, if I'll be open this browsers, okay, what you are getting? It is asking for password, Chrome password. If I'll be give some wrong password, okay, you try to open it, it will not open. Understood my point?
Okay.
Sir,
So that is the
sir, once more, sir.
what happened.
Last thing once more, sir.
What I'm telling you, see here,
Sound,
that is here. Sound is not clear. Sound is not clear. It's clear.
this level clear.
Okay. See here, what is happened. Here I am using ad blocker. Everyone, see here.
And,
First, what is coming? First, it is I have worked with the password. If the password I will give, if anyone open my laptop, if they don't know the password, they cannot open it because so many things I have secured here inside my browser. Understood my point? First thing.
okay.
So if you'll be give the wrong password, just type to this. Okay, that means automatically it's blocked. Clear my point?
Oh,
Second thing is what happened. Second thing is what happened. I have the ad blocker. You cannot open anything. You cannot open anything. See, it's not allowed. Nothing you can do. First, you have to access it, authenticate it. Clear my point? That means I secure my browsers. Second thing is what here, guys, you will find. See here, all of you. I have a ad blockers. Use the ad blockers. With the ad only, the viruses and kinds of attack is coming. So use these kinds of ad blockers. Everyone. Clear?
yes.
Everyone, I'm telling you, what you go and download ad blockers. It will be plugin. It is called plugin. Understood? Plugin means what? You are adding here inside your browsers. Understood or not? Understood, everyone? Clear my point? So that is the things is coming here. What is telling? Disable insecure features or plugins. Don't use. Sometimes what happens, they are asking you to connect with your browsers. Okay, so don't allow it. That is the known as plugin. Mohammed, understood? Vijay, you cleared? Suraj?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is called. Next is coming very much important. That is not on the Google features. This is coming here. The next point, very important. Disable scripts scripts like Java scripts, okay, Java, Java, comma, which is the anonymous rhymes you. What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that? Guys, if you open some browsers, right? You open it, okay? Come here. You open here Google. You open here Facebook. Open here Facebook. Okay? What I will do, see here everyone. This is the SSL and all is coming. Media, permissions, security features. That is security is there. Here. Just a minute, just a minute. I will open here. Just try to see this. See here, guys, inspect it. Okay, I inspected it. What you are getting, guys, here, that some script will be come out. See, this is a script is there. All of you getting my point? Clear or not? This is the script is there. No.
Yes.
Okay, style it now. This is the script is there. Okay, device inside that.
Sir, what's
Here.
your point?
So I am telling you what happens sometimes through this script also, like attack is coming. What I will do, I will change here. Okay, I will change here. And inside that I will create, you remember I have the viruses is there. I create the virus inside that Java, I will put there. And like if this is the Google, okay, you are coming to my company website, just try to see. This is the company website, okay, internet first, okay, you can here. What happened? This is the internet website. Internet was given me to work on that. Okay, this is the website is there. Let it be open internet. It's not secure. What is coming? Right now it's secure. Okay. See here, this is open here. Okay, understood, right? What I will do here, I will come and inspect it. They have given me to work on that. What I will do, I will change the display websites. Lots of things is coming here. What I will do, I will change something and I will put kinds of plugin that will the all information what is happened inside the internet, but it is coming to my website. Just try to understand. I have one website is there, my company, Saurabh.com. So this is coming to me. All of you getting my point? Because the website is creating with the help of like HTML is there, JavaScript is there, Python is there. Understood or not? All of you clear or not? So with the help of what happened, they have given to me, and what I did, I have changed something inside that.
Hello?
Clear? Tell me, ask me.
So in time the script is changing time, the website already changed, right?
No. What I'm telling, this company, designing of this company.
Okay.
Like no, this is the design of this company is there. They have given me to work on that because nobody is like I'm in the network engineer, so I don't know that this script language. Okay, so I have given to someone to the third party like you do this scripting. But what happened? They have given me HTTPS everything. But what happened? They have used the plugin, and inside the plugin, what happened? Whatever the work I'm doing, this is going to their like no, they are managing my website. So all information to going to there also.
Okay.
Understood or not?
Okay.
So that is the meaning of what I am telling you. Disable script. I written here what? Disable script like Java. This is
So how to disable it now?
This is coming to there on the organization. This is there. What is happening? See, if I will be huge here, see, come here. I'm coming here. What is happening? This is coming 1 point. This is coming 2nd point. This is coming 3rd point. So what happened? It is like no leakage is coming here. But again, it will come to here. No, you understood or not?
Yes, yes.
Four times nodes is changing here, but there inside this browser you are directly connected to Google. Here what happened, this 4 times, maybe here some scripts is leakage, But again, you are coming here, this point. So again, your identity is going to change in this point. Nodes, I told you. Inside the theory also I told you. Correct or not? Inside, what is happening? The last one is your, Google will see the last nodes information. And they can understand this is the real one. But the real one is from here. And it is going to change from 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sir,
Understood or not?
one doubt, sir.
Uh,
The
ask
first
me.
server is leakage. Okay. The second server is secure. That time
Uh,
possible or impossible?
No, it will be bypass. No, if it will not bypass, it will be leak from here. So again, you have to check. I told you, na, leakage you have to check by yourself.
Okay.
At that time, I told you, na, what I told you, Inside that, I told you, na, that problem. What I told you, problem. Difficult to prevent leak.
Okay.
So that things already you have written here. See, you have written here or not? See, prevent leak.
Okay. Okay. Sir.
Understood?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Here,
Hello, sir.
everyone. Question. Come. Question. Whom have question? Ask me.
I said how to check the leak.
How to check the leak? Because you are not reaching to Google. You are not
Yes.
reaching to Google. That is the things. Maybe. Or it is very slow. Like you have to reach to there like in the 3 minutes. Because already I told you what speed is done dog. So maybe it will take 2 minutes and you are reaching in 5 minutes, 7 minutes. That means you should know about that. When you will practice, you have to learn, you have to know about that. So that means something problem inside the nodes. So you have to go and you have to check it. So who will check? The cyber experts will check. Clear? Right now, clear everyone.
Okay, sir.
Theory you are getting. Vijay, are you interested in this now? Right
Sir,
now,
wait.
theory is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Momo. Ask me
I'm
question.
looking down something.
What? You are noting down.
Yes.
Okay, note.
Okay.
Done. Fine. Then after I am coming, and that things I told you. Okay.
So the sound
I am
not clear.
coming. Yeah, I am coming. Okay. How to check your Tor is working properly or not? Guys, always remember two things. Very much important. I'm going to close this one and close this one. I'm coming to the Tor. This is my Tor browsers. Okay. So I open it. Two things always remember. Always remember. First is what? Let it be open. Don't be maximized. First point. This is the Tor browser. See here. It's open, guys. It's open, right? See here. This is all the Tor browsers. Understood? Don't be maximized. Otherwise, hackers will get which operating system or which computer you are using with the help of screen. This is screen size. Are you getting my point, everyone? First point.
One doubt is there, sir.
Ask me.
Sir, when we use the Tor browser, na, sir, so at the time the Google people will not going to gather any information from now if we use the Tor browser.
Yeah. Okay. Which I understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See here. Don't be maximize it. Don't be maximize it. Are you getting my point? And if you don't know how to play on the Tor, okay, be default. Keep it as default. Understood or not? Fine. Always remember, don't be maximize it. Otherwise, hackers will get, because from the third party also, so many hackers is there. We will work on that. Some sites I will show you. Okay, that is not working on the where? Inside your normal websites. This is the
Sir,
hidden.
what is the difference by applying that maximum and minimum, sir?
See here, if you will be maximized, no, you are getting the screen size, right? They will get the screen size. So with the help of this screen size, they can understand like I'm using the HP laptop or whatever the things is there, because this is the screen. No, this is the measurement. Are you getting my point? Understood? Clear? Are you getting? This is the measurement. So always remember, you go and check on the YouTube. Or everyone is telling you don't be maximize. This is the security first thing is coming. Clear my point? Clear, all of you? So always minimize the Tor browser first. Okay, minimize this one, and by default set. Vijay, it's clear to you right now? No. If I'll be maximized, hello, Vijay, see here. Hello, hello. Are you there? Hello, see here. If I'll be maximized, see here. Try to understand. If I'll be maximized, what happened? This complete measurement is coming. No, this complete measurement is coming, right? With the help of this complete measurement, they can access, they can understand I'm using this laptop. And I will also do some kinds of activity. So from there, they can send, because so many things is there. Tor is not so easy. You have to learn so many things here. I will show you day by day. Don't worry about that class, okay? Because here, it will, the extension is not .com and .this. .tor is the extension is here. Understood or not? Some different name you will get. I will show you the name. And on that time, what happened? I will not give you permission to record it. Understood or not? Fine. Because this is not allowed to record it. So come here. First, you have to check your browser is working properly or not. Write this command. You have to use. Right. Check here. Right here. Check CHECK. Check Tor. Tor project. Tor project. .org. Okay. .org. Enter. What is coming? Congratulations, this browser is configured to use Tor, and you are getting that IP address 185. Are you getting here? All of you.
Yes.
Okay.
This is the IP address I am getting when I use this one. So what is happened? Come here and see here. Its circuit is created. The browser is coming Germany, then after United States, then after Ukraine, then after you are using to Tor, and this is the card. So like this way, this is the circuit. All of you getting my point? So how many times you are changing yourself? That circuit I shown you here. Clear or not? And always it will be used the HTTPS. Always it will use the HTTPS.
Sir, can you show?
Understood? Secure.
So secure connection.
What you got? This is the secure now. This is secure. This is the green signal is what? This is secure. And this is the circuit.
Okay.
Who has question?
Sir, secure just open, sir. Secure.
Yeah, it's I open here. Secure connection. Secure connection. More information. See here. Your certificates is there. See here, SHA, they are using there. SHA is for security. Come here in the details. See here. CA certificates is using there. I told you on that day also. Remember or not? Don't go very deep. Only try to understand this part. Okay. See here. If you are using, this is coming here. Okay. If you are using Google, okay. You open it. I'm coming and I'm using here. I am opening internet first here. Okay, internet first. See here, this is secure, right? This is what? HTTPS. This is known as the lock is coming. No, this is HTTPS, guys.
Yes, sir.
Understood or not?
Yes.
Always remember. And
Yes.
when there is no lock, when there is no lock, that means it is not secure. Clear my point? This is going with the port number 80. This is going with the port number 8443. But here you are getting any kinds of like no this one a circuit and all, no, correct or not? This is going to what you can say my firewall, and then after it is going to there. But here what is happened? 3 to 4 times it is going to change there. Again you can create a new this one. See here, this is change again. Germany. Again it is changing. So what is happening? The attacker says so many times change their identity with the help of this Tor browsers. Right now, clear, Vijay? Understood, everyone? Clear?
Yes, sir.
See here. Then after I'm coming here, something I will show you. Come here. What is coming here? Come to the options field. Okay. Come to the options field. In the options field, what happened? Privacy and this one. Okay. Clear data, manage permission. Whom have to manage the permissions? These things also you can use here. You can block there. Are you getting? This point is also inside your browsers. Then after come here, don't use login and password save here. Always remember inside the Tor. Are you getting? Huh? What is the question? Any query? Ask me. Guys, ask me question here. Okay. See here. What is coming? Always use the private browsing mode. Okay. Clear history. After doing this one, you can clear the history. What is never remember history? You can do here never remember history. Understood?
Okay.
That is the things is coming. Never remember history. That means this is secure. Okay. Then after come here down. What is happened? Warn your, by default this is correct. Okay. Block websites for automatically playing sounds. Block pop-up windows. Warn you when websites trying to install add-ons. Add-ons I told you na. This is add-ons. Okay. This is add. What is it in ad blocks? This is add-ons. So warn you these things. Okay. And what prevent access services from accessing your browsers. If something is coming, you can also give it there. Okay, this thing is coming into, you can change there. What is coming here? That security. See here, by default it is a standard. You can go for the safer also. Safer means most safe. Only allows website features required for static sites and basic services. This changes affect images, media, and scripts. All of you getting? When
Sir,
you are using this.
sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Ask me.
Sir, in Asian broadcast network, using sharing app, is it secured or not, sir?
Which one?
Asian network broadcast. Using
Broadcast.
no network. Using some share app.
That is not safe. That is not secure.
Oh, not safe, right?
Not safe.
Okay,
So
sir.
all of you getting my point here in the Tor, safest. Understood? Vijay, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then after come down, what is happening? See, certificates warning. This is coming. Security devices. So by default, it is telling you automatically select one automatically, or by default every time it will be certificates will be revise it. Block dangerous and these sites. You can use this part. Block dangerous download. Are you getting? So something, if you will want to download dangerous things, it will be not allowed. Or by default, if something is coming here, it will be blocking. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Right now? Tell me. What is happened? Ask me question. Guys, I didn't start any website. I didn't show you inside the Tor how many sites are there and how it is working. Understood or not? Right now, the only the information I have given you on the Tor browser, and this is the basic information only I have given. Clear my point? Understood? Clear, everyone? Momo, clear it. Momo,
I'm
clear
here,
it.
sir. I'm here,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. Okay, okay. And Vijay, it's clear? Okay, fine. So like this way you can do. If I didn't do this one, I will use the normal I'm doing. But when you are using this one, you can go with this one. And some things I will show you. Don't worry about that. Okay. Never remember history. It will be important here. Okay. And after in the home also, this is the new Windows tabs, restore defaults you can do like this. The top uses breeze and these things. So I am not coming here. This is the breeze. I will explain you tomorrow. Okay, what is the breeze? Write the breeze. I use the proxy. These things I will show you tomorrow. Okay. So guys, how's the class? You understood everyone inside
Yes,
the
sir.
talk. So tomorrow I will do some extra things here inside the talk and then. Okay. So should I
Okay.
stop here? Should I stop here? All of you go and log out. Okay. All of you go and log out and give the classes feedback every day how you are getting or not. Understood? You understood? And guys, tell there like standard class means like not only this one is giving. Tell them like it's your this one penetration testing because it's not coming. I'm sending you this file. It's all coming on the pen test. So I'm teaching you the pen test also here. Okay? Understood or not? Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye. Take care. Study well. See the tour how it is working. Research something there and keep in touch. If anything doubt, you have my number. Message. Okay.
Okay,
Bye.
sir.
Take care. Okay, guys. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Okay.